I have a 2016 model Bobcat E85. This unit's got showing to have 618 hours total on it. Really nice, clean machine. It's got a GIF hydraulic quick connect, Bobcat thumb and bucket. Again, it's a hydraulic bucket on it. Nice, clean setup on it. Standard size boom. It is not the long boom. And same with the stick. We'll go ahead and show some things on this unit. So it has the GIF quick connect. It does have a weld right here. Looks like it had a crack or something and they had to weld it and fix it. Same here. That's pretty standard for these. So it need to be welded. The stick looked like it broke off or cracked, so they went ahead and welded the outside of this, or outside and inside of this boom stick here. It looks like it may have a little bit of seepage going on. Just a little bit, not terrible. It's not like it's leaking everywhere, but may need to have the seals repacked at some point. No seepage from this one. Just a, residual. This one here is in good shape. Looks like it has a little bit of a scuff mark, but nothing that's major that would cause it to leak. But I will say it has something there. You can see it. Nothing major. Clean tracks on it. I would say the tread on these are probably about 40%. The exterior body's in good shape. I don't see any major sheet metal bends or breaks in it. All the glass is in it as well. Undercarriage in good shape on this side as well. The sprockets have lots of life left. Again, no cracks in the boom anywhere. Same with the stick. Bucket's in good shape. I believe that's probably a 24-inch bucket. Let's see if I can find out on that. We'll get you a bucket size on that and put it in the description. Again, the cab's in good shape as well. This is, let's see, showing 618 hours there. Yanmar diesel motor. Does have a blade also. It does work. It does have a thumb control for the thumb on the handle here. We'll go ahead and open the hood and let you show you there's no blow by on the unit. Unit runs really clean. Started up just fine for me. And it is cold outside, so you would call that a cold start. All right. So this is covered with hoses here. We'll do our best. What we'll do is pull out the dipstick instead this time. A nice clean oil. No smoke coming out of the hole, but we are getting some residual back, which is normal because that is right by the drive shaft or the crank shaft, so that's normal. All the evap system is still here. The pumps are dry. No visible leaks in the main pumps. Really clean unit as far as that. Even the exterior, just has a little bit of chips, but no cracks of any sort. Just normal wear and tear. Again, the boom has got no cracks anywhere, no welds. Nothing's been welded on the stick either. All in good shape. It looks like they did bush this. Where did they do it? They bushed this here. So it looks like it has some new bushings inside this. Quick connect. That's all in good shape. Now we'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. I do want to state on this track here, on this operator side track, there is a little bit of a chip that's coming off of it, and the track is starting to break away. I don't know about on the other side, but this side it did have a little bit of wear where it's starting to break apart. So without further ado, go ahead and check out this video and we'll do a little operations here. Whoa. All right, boys, check it out. 2016 model Bobcat E85. As you can see, this 2016 Bobcat E85 runs well, works well. It's really a pretty tight machine. It's got absolutely no issues that are major. This machine just came off rent and went through the shop, and everything's been up to par on that. Looks like I don't know if that was sucked under the machine or what. I know it looked awkward with me operating it. That's because it was in standard Bobcat control, and I'm run on Excavator control. So me operating the machine is different than somebody else. But as you can see, this unit does work and works. Everything's tight. You know, it'd be a good little machine for someone to go to work with. Again, I do want to show it did have 618 hours. Showed right there. But on the actual meter here, it's showing 2,264 hours. Yep, 2,264.3 hours. So that one up there must be a trip meter. So I do want to state it's actually 2,264 hours, not 618 hours. So that was a trip meter, which shows how much an operator has put on it. Without further ado, boys, this is located here in Dallas, Texas. We got this one plus that 2011 unit. Got two matching units. If you're interested in both, give us a call, or just one. I'd love to show you both, or just the one you like to buy. Anyway, give us a call, 972-666-9501, extension 2, or 1-855-EQ deals. We have shipping available, so please give us a call on that, and also financing. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.